Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of water bottles that leak in your bag, get too warm too fast, or force you to choose between sipping or chugging, then get hydrated because today we're reviewing the Owala FreeSip insulated water bottle. This 24-ounce stainless steel bottle features triple layer insulation to keep drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. The unique FreeSip spout that lets you sip or take big gulps without tilting. A push button lid that opens with one hand, leak-proof seal, built-in carry loop, and dishwasher safe design. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a water bottle that's convenient for daily life, gym sessions, or travel, this is the one that'll keep you perfectly hydrated all day. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Owala FreeSip insulated water bottle. This bottle has a sleek stainless steel body that's durable and comes in tons of fun colors, with triple layer vacuum insulation that maintains temperature for hours. The star feature is the FreeSip spout. It has a built-in straw for easy sipping and a wide opening for big gulps, so you never have to choose. The push-button lid opens smoothly with one hand and locks securely to prevent leaks. There's a handy carry loop for clipping to bags or holding while walking. It's completely leak-proof when closed, BPA-free, and all parts are top-rack dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Setup is instant. Just fill it, close the lid, and go. Priced around $30, it's great value with solid build quality. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are hydration wins, excellent insulation that keeps water ice cold all day, the clever FreeSip spout for both sipping and chugging, one-handed push-button lid for convenience, leak-proof design that survives bags and backpacks, built-in carry loop for easy transport, and dishwasher-safe parts that make cleaning a breeze. Users rave about how it stays cold for hours, the versatile spout, and how it makes drinking water actually enjoyable. On the con side, the 24-ounce size may be small for heavy hydration days, the lid mechanism can feel a bit stiff at first, no straw cleaning brush included, and the colours can scratch over time with heavy use. A few mentioned the loop is a bit small for big carabiners, but overall, the pros dominate for everyday use. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Owala FreeSip insulated water bottle if you want reliable hydration, and the pros like the smart spout, leak-proof design, and easy carry make sense for you. It's perfect for commuters, gym goers, or anyone who wants a better water bottle. Before we wrap, if these reviews hydrate your routine, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs better hydration, or subscribe for more. See you next time.